learning person to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students. Hello, students. Today we are going to meet so many human characters, birds and animals with so many complaints in this lesson. Let us see what are their complaints. Standard 5, subject English prose, topic a lesson for all. This lesson is a play in which we have 11 human characters and 7 animal characters. The human characters are newspaper boy, milkman, hawker, school bus driver, Dr. Sawant, Mr. Patel, Mr. Desai, mayor of the town, Mr. Joshi, Nidhi and Madhu school-going girls. We also meet some animal characters like rabbit, deer, peacock, squirrel, bear, birds and tortoise. A play has many scenes. The first scene of this play shows the morning time. All the people seem to be disturbed. The human characters in this play discuss about the difficulties they face on that particular morning. Let me summarize what they talk about. Mr. Desai doesn't get his newspaper. Mr. Patel doesn't get his morning cup of tea. The milkman's bicycle tires are punctured. The bus driver couldn't drive on the road due to the litter. Madhu injures herself on a broken glass bottle. People couldn't walk on the streets because of the garbage lying all around. Do you know, students, why did they face such problems? Because that morning the street is littered with plastic bags, tins, cans, broken glass, old tires, waste paper balls. Overall, the street is littered with full of garbages, and they want to find out who are responsible for this, who is dare enough to do such thing. So, all the people gathered, discussed, and brought the mayor to show the condition of the road. Even the mayor was shocked to see the street in such a shocking state. He was annoyed. He enquired people why did they dispose garbage on the street? But all the people said they gave the garbage to the garbage collector. They did not litter them on roads. All the people, including the mayor, wanted to know who is responsible to spread the garbage all over the town. While they were discussing this matter among themselves, something strange happened. All the animals and birds come out from their hiding place and they say together, "We are responsible." And they accepted that they brought back all the garbage and put them on the street, which was dumped in the forest by the people. The animals complained that the people dump the garbage in the forest, the birds have no place to roost and build their nests. The animals get hurt and their young ones die. Waste is dumped in the rivers and lakes, and the animals drink the polluted water and fall ill and die. They also complain that when your children are getting hurt, you are worried so much. But when our young ones die, no one cares about them. We have only returned the garbage what you have dumped in our dwelling place. We have not poured any chemicals or poisons. When the people hear the problems of birds and animals, they realize their mistakes. Knowingly or unknowingly, they have committed a big blunder. They learn a lesson never to dump their litter and garbage in the forest or pollute the water of the rivers and lakes. In the last part of the play, all the people assure the animals and birds that they will not pollute the homes of animals and birds. The mayor thanks all the birds and animals for teaching a lesson to all the people so effectively by bringing back all the garbage from the forest and help them to realize their mistakes. At the end of the play, all the people, including the mayor, picked up all the litter and rubbish on the street and cleaned the street. Dear students, what do we learn from this play? Yes, every living thing has the right to live on this planet. We should live and also let others live. Don't pollute the environment. Reuse, recycle, and save our Mother Earth. Now, let us learn some new words with their meanings from this lesson. The first word, grumpy. Grumpy means easily annoyed. Fetch, to get someone or something. Sort out, to put in the correct place. Roost, to rest or go to sleep somewhere. Limping, walking slowly or with difficulty because of an injured leg. Thank you, students.